Welcome to Wynn Las Vegas. We had previously rated this hotel as the #1 luxury hotel in Las Vegas. But it's been a few years since we have stayed here, and there have been new hotels that have come online or remodels that have been done to other hotels lately. So we are doing a full tour today. We're gonna take you around, show you everything, and we are gonna let you know at the end whether or not this is still the #1 luxury hotel in Las Vegas. So let's get on with the tour. If you like to golf, the Wynn has to be the perfect place for you. They actually have the Wynn Golf Club here. So right outside, in back of the hotel, is an 18-hole golf course. And if you just look at it, it is absolutely stunning. So green, the landscaping is gorgeous, and there's a waterfall here as well that just gives you that relaxing sound as you are playing. And you also have a great view of the Sphere here as well. But just be careful because sometimes it has that happy face emoji on it, and he's been known to laugh at golfers who hit bad shots. It's winter time, so the pools are closed for the season. However, they do have areas that you can look at the pools out here, and they are just beautiful. The landscaping out here is just gorgeous. The different colors of the cabanas, everything just looks extremely upscale. Now they do have one pool that is open for the season, and this is near the Tower Suites. This is the Sunset Pool. It is heated. It feels like bath water. Anyway, this pool area is relaxing. It's not gonna be your party pool at the Wynn. If you do want your party atmosphere though, all you have to do is go to the sister resort Encore, and they have the Encore Beach Club for you. We're staying in a Resort King room. When you walk in, you're immediately taken back by the beauty. High ceilings, it just looks, smells, and feels so luxurious and new. I can't say enough good things about this room. You come in and there's a large king bed, there's a nice table, and then another couple of swivel chairs and floor-to-ceiling windows. Ours happens to overlook the Strip, and we're staying on the top floor, 60th floor, and it's just beautiful. You go into the bathroom, and it's another wow moment. You have two areas, sort of like his and hers areas to get ready. There's a large bathtub, a nice shower with good water pressure. The amenities in there are more than what you get at a normal hotel room. There's like shoe polish kit and some Q-tips and cotton balls. And then of course you have the soaps and the shampoos, and they smell really good. Now, this room though, this is probably the only thing negative I can say, is that it's pretty pricey. You're gonna pay anywhere from about $250 to $500 during the week. And on the weekends, you're gonna probably average around $600 to $800. So it's not cheap to stay here, but you really get what you pay for when you're staying at the Wynn. Even the casino here at the Wynn feels luxurious. They have all of the same games that you would expect to find in any casino, like slot machines and all the table games, but it's just in an environment that feels fancy. As a matter of fact, even the drinks are better here. Usually when you're playing at a casino and you get the free drinks, they're sort of watered down or they don't use good liquor, but here at Wynn, I feel like the drinks are just better. Now, when you're playing at the table games and you look up at the ceiling and you look all around you, you just feel like you are in a movie or something. It just feels very fancy. So overall, the casino here is great. They also have a great sports book that is very large and feels fancy as well. Feels like it's a theme here. Fancy, fancy, fancy. If you're looking for entertainment while you're here at the Wynn, they have a standing show called Awakening, which is a Cirque du Soleil type of show. Also at the Encore, there is another theater, but that doesn't have a standing show. It's acts that come in and out. But you'll see things like David Blaine, New Edition, Russell Peters, Brian McKnight. Those are the types of shows that you might expect there. Now, there is a free show here at the Wynn called Lake of Dreams. This runs every half an hour after dark time. And there are areas that you can watch this in a restaurant, for example. SW Steakhouse and the Lakeside have lakeside seating for you. Also, the Aft Bar right behind me has seating that is outdoors and overlooks the Lake of Dreams show. But also, if you don't want to be outside, it's too hot or too cold, there is the Parasol Bar, which is right inside, and you do actually have views of the show. If you want to watch the show for free though and don't want to get a drink or have food, there are a couple of decks that you can do so. The Wynn is on the north side of the Las Vegas Strip, and while it isn't the perfect location, you don't really feel too isolated. On one side of you, you have the Palazzo and Venetian. Kitty corner, you have Treasure Island, and then kitty corner on the other end, you have Resorts World. And if you want to do some shopping and you don't want to spend the prices at the places here at the Wynn like Prada, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, right across the street you have the Fashion Show Mall, and that is sort of your normal mall stores that you're going to find in there. There's also some great dining in that mall as well. Here's a pro tip for you. If you want to get a view of the Sphere, there's a sidewalk that goes right alongside of the Wynn. If you walk down just a little bit, you can catch a great view of the Sphere. There's also a pedestrian bridge that goes across from the Wynn to the Palazzo, but it gets really busy at night when the Sphere is all lit up and everybody wants to see it. So if you come down here on the sidewalk, you're going to get those spectacular views, but without the crowds. In 2008, Wynn added a sister property right next door called Encore, and there's this interior walkway that takes you between the Wynn and Encore. Of course, it's going to be lined with very expensive shops and some restaurants in here as well. There are so many restaurants to choose from here at the Wynn. I'm just going to have you look at some clips, and that way you can see what options you have to enjoy during your stay. In my opinion, the Wynn is the #1 luxury hotel in Las Vegas. The fine dining, the shopping, the rooms, the casino area, everything from ceiling to floor, literally, is detailed in luxury. They didn't skip a beat here. Now, maybe you agree with me, maybe you don't. Let me know in the comments. If you're looking for other luxury hotels in Las Vegas, be sure to check out this video. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time. So, wrong game, but okay.
Oh yeah.